arkadaşlar.
Aha.
Сейчас ты все?
I mean, here's the thing. She gave the option, regardless if you fail, the one tomorrow or not. So I might as well take it and then go ahead with it. No, because she literally said, if I remember correctly, that if we fail, if I were to fail, the one time I could try for the tactical unfortunately. So, and regarding application, here's why I had some technology. So in person, because I know that it's a long way because they changed the system. So I'm putting it in the tray. I'm in the tray. Overall, so I'm doing pretty well. Granted, I do it because of that misfortune. But if I was in your shoes, of course I don't know how you're, feeling but if I'd be in your position, I would just get it done with because it's the first semester of the first year. They don't give a shit as long as it's done the way they want to it to be done. They can give a shit. So if I'd be that's how you know you're cheap. You know I'm going to tell you about how Teddy's fucking seminars are doing. Oh my. Okay, so here's the thing. You asked each teacher, can I do the Hagia Sophia, right? Each of them said, yeah, no problem. You went to the teacher for Heritage Studies, and he's like, listen, I have some information, some images which I use in Artistic Heritage. Can I reuse them? He's like, yeah, sure, no problem, as long as I can use the correct citation, no issue, right? Then Katja, the one with the tomato red hair. Ethnology, ethnology language. She writes him an email basically saying, hey Teddy, it has come to mine and other attention that you have plagiarized some work in total a page and a half or even like less than that for these three seminars. This will be reported to you. Yeah. And like she fucking mentions it, and then he fucking explains to me the situation. So basically, he has one introduction. All of the sources from the introduction are in each of the seminars, and they're properly cited. And it's not like subjective information. It is all factually correct, cited information, but the simple fact that it is literally, I think it's copy pasted. I don't know 100% sure. Let's assume that it is copy pasted. It is essentially his own work, in his own words, cited and copy pasted in 3 different seminars about the same topic, all of which is all like factual information. And rather than the teacher simply going, oh yeah, hey, could you rewrite this for us? She just goes, oh yeah, hey, listen, because of plagiarization, you have failed ethnological heritage and won't be able to do the exam. And that's a whole bunch of fucking. Yeah, no, that's what fucking. What's even fucking crazier is the fact that the first seminar he did was ethnological heritage. So it's ethnological heritage he sent to her, then he sent for artistic heritage, and then heritage studies. Heritage studies and artistic heritage both knew. No, heritage studies knew that he was using it for the same subject as artistic heritage. In artistic heritage, he didn't care that he was using it for the same subjects. So it's and the fact that it's on the fucking what is it called? On the first semester of the first year, like it's all like if you're asking me, it's obviously fucking discriminatory matter. Because it's like because like here's the thing, if you're a professor, you have one of the easy jobs. You are paid more than above average. You're paid with, I mean, yeah, you are like on it. Yeah, if you're like a professor in Sweden, you get like 3.5 hours, give or take. I know, it's great, and you get 4 months of the year off as well, and of course depending.